Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete stories on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So I'm going to open TikTok right now and you will be on the home page. Now to delete your story, the first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner that will take you to your profile. And if you have uploaded a story, you can tap on your profile icon at the top there to view that story. Now once that story appears, you can see those three horizontal straps underneath the comment button. If you tap on those, a menu will pop up and it says Save Video, Privacy Settings and then Delete. You just simply have to select the option Delete and tap on Delete. Then that story has been deleted, and that's pretty much straightforward and simple. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.